Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you on how to create a Facebook avatar. So without wasting up much of your time, let's dive in. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Facebook account, your main Facebook account, not Facebook Lite, the main Facebook app, the main one, so which is this one that this arrow is pointing at right now, the main Facebook app. So you click on it. So let's allow it to load up. So once you arrive in your Facebook profile, the next thing you have to do is that you click on your Facebook profile, so which is this area where this arrow is pointing at right now, the Facebook profile area. So once you click on it, allow it to load up, then you hit on edit where this arrow is pointing right now. Sorry, here right now, edit. You click on that edit. So once you click on the edit, sure, let me delete this one. This is the avatar I created before. Let me just delete it and start. I'm done removing the picture. Now the next thing you have to do is to hit on create avatar. Click on there right now. So the next thing you have to do now is choose the skin color, the skin tone. So allow it to load up. Allow it to load. After that, the next thing you have to do right now is to click on hairstyle. Select the type of hairstyle you need. Just customize it to your own taste. After you have selected the hairstyle, the next thing you have to do is click on next where this arrow is pointing at. Once you hit on next, it will take you to this interface where you select the hair color. So just customize it to your own standard. Then you select the hair color. So this is the color I'll be choosing for the purpose of today's tutorial. So you select it. After that, you hit on next. Once you hit on next, you take you to this area where you select the outfit or the shape of the avatar's head. So you hit on that area. Once you select the shape, after that, the next thing you do, you click on done. So once you hit on done, you take you to this area where you update the avatar. Then you allow the avatar to be updated in the background. It will take some minutes. Just allow it to update. Now after it might have finished updating, you click on next. Where the arrow is pointing at right now, just hit on next. Boom, you have just created an avatar, but you are not done yet. So the next thing you have to do is to find the area where they wrote edit avatar. You click on that icon. So it will take you to this area where you just change the clothes of the person and all that. So this area now, I'll be selecting a random wear. Just selecting that trousers and the up jacket. Just allow it to load up. Then add the up jacket. Then hit on save. Once you hit on save, that's all. That's all for creating an avatar. Allow it to load up. So your avatar is updating. Once you finish updating in the background, that's all. You have just created an avatar. Boom. So now this is how the avatar looks like. So please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel and share this video. And if you want to learn how to create a flipping profile pictures on Facebook, that kind of profile picture, once you enter into the interface, it will show the avatar. It also show the main person's profile pictures. I'll be dropping that in my next video.